Gen Z superstar. Palakpakan po natin. Gen Z superstar. Kasama po natin ngayon. What can you say about it?
Oh my gosh, tinanong din po ako kanina nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. Siyempre, very thankful. Pero siyempre, I'm continuously doing my best to earn that title. Siyempre, di ba? So, thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta. And I will do my best. I will do my best to prove that I'm deserving of that title. Ayun po. Nakakahiya naman. Nakakahiya naman yun.
No, pero syempre deserve ni Bel Mariano ang Gen Z superstar title. Okay, now let's go to the next question. What are your music goals for 2026? So, nasabi mo na nga kanina na gusto mong magsulat pa, di ba? Ano pa ang mga music goals mo? Grammy, ganyan. Grammy!
Why not? Siyempre, for my music to be recognized more, siyempre. And ang ganda kasi yung mga writers, yung mga composers ng song, ng music na nirelease ko sa album, as in, puno ng puso yung album. So I feel like they deserve to be recognized more.
Collab, aside from Olivia Dean, local, sinong gusto mo maka-collab?
Cup of Joe, yeah, them. Ang dami. But on top of my head, Cup of Joe.
Cup of Joe.
Yeah.
Ano favorite mong Cup of Joe song? Bakit gusto mo sila
Ang
maka-collab?
ganda lang nung feels nila. Ang ganda nung pati never pa ako nagkaganong type of collab. Beanie too.
Oh,
Yeah.
ikaw yung sasayaw, ganon?
Why not? Na joke lang. Beanie, cute diba? Nakaka-LSS din yung music nila.
Okay, Beanie and Cup of Joe.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Can you share your story about, your dream house? By the way, congratulations din sa yung dream house. Sobrang ganda.
Sa house, grabe yung, syempre, whenever I go home, parang sobrang, kahit pagod na pagod ka the whole day, parang ang sarap na nakakauwi ako sa house na yun, and I'm just so grateful for it. As in, sobrang, it really feels like home. And what's so nice about it is, parang every area may sari-sariling theme. Kasi syempre, 5 kami magkakapatid. So parang yung mga kapatid ko, may sarili silang mood sa kwarto nila. Parang may mood board sila sa Pinterest, ganun. So parang iba-iba yung feel niya every room, which is so nice. Kasi parang it makes it home.
Binigyan mo pa sila ng ganung choice? Like, sila yung
Yeah, of
magde-design
course,
ng
it's
sarili
their
nilang
room. So, syempre sila yon. So, ang ganda lang. Like, yung brother ko, mahilig sa football, ganyan. So, room niya talaga, alam mo na yung itsura. Tapos, yung sister ko namang isa, like, favorite color niya, pink. So, very siya.
Yung sayo, ano yung theme nung sayo?
Very earth tones. I like earth tones. It makes me relax. So, parang gusto ko kasi whenever I enter my room, parang gusto kong makapag-rest ako agad. So, very earth tones, very beige. Ayan. Para if ever ibahin ko man yung itsura niya in the future, pwede ko ibahin.
Oo,
Diba?
madali. Oo.
Diba? Very madali siyang baliin.
Yes. Kung meron kang favorite spot in your whole house, what would it be?
We have this room sa bahay, parang na doon yung TV. Tapos doon kaming lahat ng siblings ko. Favorite spot ko siya now. I usually say banyo ko din. Mahilig, totoo. Kasi sobrang tinutukan ko yung banyo ko. Like, sabi ko, like, parang gusto ko may tub na maayos, na maganda, gano'n. So, ayun. And yung TV area namin, kasi that's the area where my family and I usually hang out. So, very cozy.
Cozy common area for
Yes.
everyone. Okay. Thank you so much. Ito naman ang ating next question. After the success of Meet, Greet, and Buy, again, palakpakan guys, Meet, Greet, and Buy, which is now on Netflix.
Thank you so
yes?
much.
Do you see yourself doing more drama or family movies?
Yes, why not? Siyempre, parang, like, I'm all for learning. I want to learn more sa acting. So, hopefully, in the future, we get to put more stories like that. Diba?
And sino raw ang gusto mo makasama, if ever, kasi, syempre, nakasama mo na ang mga bigating actors sa Meet,
grabe.
Greet, and Buy.
Wow.
Maricel Soriano.
Judy Ann.
Judy Ann Santos.
Sino pa ba? Ang dami kasi.
You've
parang
never
lahat
worked
ng-
with Miss Judy
no,
Ann?
No, Sana in the future. But, I want to work with, kasi I feel like everyone I work with, I learn from them. So, I want to work with everyone. Yes.
Miss Judy Ann Santos, kung nanonood po kayo. Gusto po kayo makatrabaho
Hello
ni
po.
Miss Bel Mariano. Thank you so much. Okay, now let's go to our next question. Miss Janice Navida, entertainment editor of
Hi po.
Bulgar.
Ang cute nung ano niyo.
Hi. Idol ko
diba?
si Ate V. Charot.
Kanina pa namin
Ayan,
pinupuna
oh.
yan. Oo, ang kagalang-galang.
Anyway, Belle, I just want to ask kasi, di ba, yung mga kasabayan mo, some choose to go sexy. Ikaw, I wanna know, why did you choose to take this path, yung music, i-pursue yung music, rather than go sexy?
Well, ever since po kasi, I feel like my heart is really drawn to music. Since I grew up nga po listening to video okay, and I used to sing, like, I remember whenever I sing, naalala ko yung lolo ko. So parang, kasi kaming dalawa lagi magka-jamming sa video okay. So parang it's not just my dream, I'm also pursuing his dream. So that's why I chose this direction, because it's really in my heart po.
Mhm. Pero if given a chance to play the role of Jezebel, since ang name is Belle, willing ka ba?
Jezebel. Oo nga naman, Bel.
Grabe naman! Wow nga, Nobel. Why not? If ever, why not po? My doors are always open. Kaya nga ng kantang pintuan, kung anong para sa'yo, magbubukas po yung pintong yun.
Mahilig ka ba mag-swimming?
Yes. Yeah. Kaya ko mag-swimming.
So kaya.
Kaya mag-swimming.
Jezebel. Oo.
Hindi
Parang may gusto siya sabihin, pero hindi.
Hindi ko alam. Like, parang, syempre, that role is it's really known. So, syempre, if ever sa akin mapunta, syempre, I'll be thankful for it. And I will do my best to give justice to the role po.
Willing kang mag-topless?
Topless?
Uy,
Grabe!
may buhok
Parang
naman.
hindi
tsaka
naman topless yun.
May
Topless
shells
ba
naman
yun?
si Jezebel. Diba?
May shells
Oo.
naman siya.
Pero yun, willing ka mag-shells.
I'll know po once it's there. CGI. AI?
AI na raw ngayon.
Hindi, why not? I mean, if it's really for me, syempre, and I feel like I'm the type of actor naman that will give my all to the role.
Ayan. And when it comes to music, syempre, nakagawa ka na ng album. Narinig na ba ni Donnie itong mga songs mo?
Yes! Nasa ano siya ngayon eh. Nasa ibang bansa siya ngayon eh. So, siguro pagbalik niya, papaano ko sa kanya up. But he knows knows about the album.
Mhm. May, somehow ba may fear? Kasi, siya, di ba, naging judge siya ng Pilipinas Got Talent.
Oh.
O, di ba?
Audition! Hindi naman. He's, what I like about him, he's very thoughtful and if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So he's very insightful.
Kumakanta rin si Donnie, right?
Yes.
So, walang chance na mag-duet kayo sa next,
Well, so far, wala pa po kaming napag-usapan. But maybe po, in the future, we can do a collaboration.
Ayun.
Sa movie, di ba? Sige po,
And project together, wala pa ring plano?
Saan?
Project together.
We actually have po, tayo sa wakas. Yes po.
Yung movie?
Yes po, yes.
Upcoming. Okay, good luck, Belle.
Thank you so much po.
Okay, ito na from online also. Thank you so much, Miss Janice.